Hey guys, okay, so we're gonna do this again. I just shot it in wide zoom and it cut off my head. I guess I'm just too tall, I don't know. But my name is Joey Hubble, I'm with Laticrete. I'm the technical sales representative for the Gulf Coast region for the concrete remediation division. Really, in layman's terms, all that means is that I am the floor prep guy. So today, this week, we've been going through some odd times. We're all going through them. I just want to let everybody know that I myself and Laticrete are here to help you out any way we can. If you ever need me, please feel free to reach out to me. But today what we're going to do is take a look at one of my primers. This is Prime-N-Bond. It's an extremely aggressive, single coat, ready to use primer. So it has many different substrates. It can go over terrazzo, whenever you're trying to do tile over tile, whenever you're going over any linoleum, just about anything. EGP, this thing, it's extremely versatile. So another thing that this particular primer will do is you can use it for self-leveling. So it can be your primer for your self-leveling. And if you have an absorbent and structurally sound slab, you can use this without having to bead blast, which can actually be a game changer. So what I'm going to do today is show you how we're going to use it. As you can see, I've already got it down on my demo board because I already shot this video and I'm here by myself and had no idea that my head was cut off in the whole video. So we're reshooting it right now. So what you want to do is mix it up really well. I've already mixed this all up. We're just going to do another coat on top of it. It's not going to hurt anything. I'm just going to pour a little bit of this out. And all you do is just use a 3/8" nap roller. I'll pull this excess around. And nice even coverage everywhere. I've got a little excess on here basically just because I'm doing it twice, but generally speaking, we would not do this. You wouldn't apply your second coat for 72 hours. So basically what you have is you have 72 hours after you apply this primer to pour a self-leveler or go over the top of it. If you exceed that 72 hours, then you'll have to apply a new coat. And that's it, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Next week, we're going to take a look at one of my self-levelers and see how you mix that and pour it out and gauge rake it and smooth trowel it, all that good stuff. So, y'all have a good one. Stay safe.